Exploring the hidden power of the zodiac, discover the 4 distinguished signs. Welcome to a deeper exploration of the 4 powerful zodiac signs. Today, we're putting under the microscope the unique traits that empower these signs in life and in their interactions with others. Join us as we uncover whether you're also among these influential signs and how you can best utilize your unique strengths. Accompany us on this exciting journey, and don't forget to support us by liking, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and subscribing to our channel. The concept of power in astrology can vary widely, depending on what one considers as constituting power, be it emotional strength, leadership abilities, resilience, or influence over others. Here are 4 zodiac signs often associated with various forms of power. Scorpio, October 23 to November 21, known for their intensity, emotional depth, and transformative power. Scorpios are considered one of the most powerful signs in the zodiac. They possess an unparalleled ability to navigate through life's darkness and emerge stronger. Their determination and willpower are unmatched, making them excellent leaders and formidable opponents. Leo, July 23 to August 22. Leos are natural-born leaders, exuding confidence and charisma. Their powerful presence is hard to ignore, and they often find themselves in the spotlight, influencing those around them with their optimism and warmth. Leos possess a regal quality, commanding respect and admiration from their peers. Aries, March 21 to April 19. Aries, the first sign of the zodiac, is known for its fierce independence and boldness. They are pioneers, always ready to take the initiative and face challenges head-on. Their courage and determination make them powerful adversaries and inspiring leaders. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now to stay updated with my latest and most current videos. And don't forget to like and comment, your feedback is greatly appreciated. Thank you. Capricorn, December 22 to January 19. Capricorns are the embodiment of discipline and ambition. Their determination to succeed, coupled with their meticulous planning and patience, makes them unstoppable forces. They possess the power of resilience, consistently working towards their goals regardless of the obstacles they face. Aries, March 21 to April 19. Aries, the first sign of the zodiac, is known for its fierce independence and boldness. They are pioneers, always ready to take the initiative and face challenges head-on. Their courage and determination make them powerful adversaries and inspiring leaders. We sincerely appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. Your comments are incredibly valuable to us and motivate us to continue. Please feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we invite you to do so to support us. We aim to build a community of like-minded viewers, and we'd be thrilled to have you as part of it. Thank you so much for your support.